the world champion. He's still just 19 years of age, from Grenada, Kirani James, world youth champion, world junior champion, world senior champion. Can he now add Olympic title? This man is always there or thereabouts. Fourth, and fifth in world championships. A world indoor title as well. From the Bahamas, Chris Brown. A title in Barcelona. Looking for the point. Well, they're away in the 400 meters. The two blue vests for the Bahamas off fast. Outside it, Rugalin Santos, the junior as well. But it's Kirani James, world champion last year, coming into the home straight, and also Gordon. It's a Caribbean triumph. They dominated the medals, and look at the time.
Mit navn er Victor. Jeg er glad for sport. Faktisk virkelig glad for sport. Men ikke kun fodbold, men også mange andre forskellige sportsgrene, som løb, boksning. Jeg har dog et problem. Jeg har haft siden jeg var lille. Det er mit ben. Jeg har altid haft ondt i mit ben. Og mere end normalt her på det sidste. Det bekymrer mig.